Today main topic is the liquid state of matter. Surface tension. What is surface tension and what are the uses of surface tension? Where we can observe this surface tension? These three things. Some mosquitoes walking on the water surface. Surface tension. Water is forming a droplet. Surface tension. These are all three reasons. Surface tension. So what is this surface tension? Why it is? See, if you take a liquid here, liquid surface, these are complete liquid. Here one water molecule is there. This water molecule is pulling by this area. Here also water molecules. All water molecules are there surrounded. Pulling by down, pulling by side, pulling by up, all angles. So resultant force is 0. Here resultant force is 0. Then in case of water molecule is here. Taken. Abhi this from center to here, this side water molecule खींच रहे उधर से. Either pulling force, either pulling force is there. This angle में है, down में भी है. Up nothing. Upside nothing. Then what will happen indirectly? This here one water molecule is there. This is also pulling down. This is also pulling down. So here this is my surface area. Here water molecule is there. It's pulling down, pulling down. So in that case, what will happen? It is trying to get a round shape. It is trying to occupy less surface area. It is trying to get less surface area due to these pulling forces. Due to these pulling forces. So what we can give the definition for this surface tension? This surface tension is the one force. Surface tension is the one force. See, I told that by pulling this, it is coming to closer. So it is trying to occupy less volume. It is trying to occupy less volume. Still, the surface is maintaining. Still, it is maintaining means how much force is going down, pulling down, that much force is acting by the side molecule. Then only the surface is still it is in the parallel. Yes, it's like in the plane. So, how much force is acting to spread the surface? How much force is required to spreading this surface? That is also known as surface tension. If there is no force to act to maintain the surface, then obviously this surface becomes like this. Okay? It is maintaining means some force is acting. Some force is acting, you go this side, you go that side. Okay? Otherwise, here pulling forces are there. If it is not pulling, then obviously it is going down, immediately forming a spherical. Okay? Individual one on leaf, one particle is there, obviously it will form a spherical shape. Okay? Suppose if you add one more water droplet here, then it will become like this. Pulling. Okay? So like this. Now, ये किस पे डिपेंड होता है सरफेस टेंशन? दिस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस. इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस. सी हियर वन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, वन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. ये दोनों के बीच में ज्यादा अट्रैक्शन है तो ऑब्वियसली it is one stretched surface. It is acting like a stretched rubber. Rubber है ना? इसको if you pull it, then like a stretched surface बनते हैं. Stretched. So like that, this water molecule is pulling here, this water molecule pulling here, here. So if mosquito is leg is there, mosquito is walking, or if you keep it one thread or one nail safety pin like that. So very less weight particles. If you keep it there, then those will float here. Of course, if you put more weight, obviously it will go down. Okay. Then why it is why the mosquito can walk means here some pulling forces. It is this surface area is acting like a stretched membrane, stretched rubber, stretched membrane. Yes, sir. So that is directly proportional to intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces. In the last classes we learned in the chemical bonding also, where which particles के बीच में ज़्यादा stronger bond होता है, यही इस chapter में starting में discuss. Intermolecular forces, Landon forces, dipole, and in that which forces are stronger? Hydrogen bond is stronger. Hydrogen bond is stronger. In the water, hydrogen bond is there. That's why the surface tension is maximum for this water molecules. That's why in the water we can swim and boat can float and everything. And you may observe that municipalities generally, the government will order sometimes in the rainy season, they will pour kerosene in the canals and this drainage system wherever. Kerosene. Why they will pour the kerosene? And the kerosene, the surface tension is very less. The mosquito cannot walk. The mosquito cannot walk on this kerosene. क्योंकि इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स क्या आता है? केरोसिन मतलब क्या है? हाइड्रोकार्बन.
एनसीआर तो बायो किसके पास?
The kerosene is nothing but hydrocarbons, alkanes. Alkanes के बीच में क्या होता है? Van der Waals forces, weakest forces. The water में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड सबसे stronger. सबसे मतलब कोवलेंट से नहीं है. ये इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स में सबसे बेटर. So that's why final conclusion is surface tension is higher for water molecules. Then this depends on the intermolecular forces. Then next topic E. अभी बताओ relation between temperature. If I increase the temperature, what about the surface tension? Surface tension will be increase or decrease? Increase or decrease? See, surface tension किसके वजह से? Intermolecular force. If I increase the temperature, intermolecular force will be increase or decrease? ये मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में वो अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होगा क्या कम होगा? By increasing temperature. कम होगा क्योंकि मॉलिक्यूल will move here and there. ठीक है? Here and there is moving. So the stretched membrane कैसे होता है? मॉलिक्यूल उधर इधर घूम रहे, कहाँ है? अटैच होता है. So when temperature is rising, surface tension will be decreased. Surface tension will be decreased. This is the temperature effect. Then capillary action. Have you heard about that? Capillary action. Capillary action. In capillary action, you can observe at your home also whenever candle wick is there and kerosene lamp, even भगवान के पास में रखते हैं लैम्प, घी वाला, ऑयल वाला, ठीक है, एक कॉटन विक रहता है, ठीक है. सो वो नीचे से ऊपर ऑयल इज कमिंग. Okay, that process also is capillary action. This is a capillary action. And one more thing you can observe that just you take one beaker, just you take one refill size, एक पाइप इसमें रख दो. Then पाइप के अंदर water level will be up to here at least. Not 100% ये equal नहीं होगा, इससे थोड़ा ज्यादा रहता है. This going up, this water is going up. This process also, this is also due to the capillary action. This process is known as capillary action. So again, suppose if you are keeping one paper or cloth, 50% of the paper or cloth you are dipping in the water, the remaining area also becoming wet. Why? Because capillary action. Due to the capillary action, threads are there. This through the thread, again this water is going up. Total becomes wet. It is applicable for paper which are absorbing the water. Paper and this cloths. This is also one of the reasons. And next one more surface tension related. Meniscus. One word. Have you heard about this? Meniscus. see, if you take, have you seen the burette pipette? केमिस्ट्री लैब में गया कभी? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So कोई भी एक just like tube, transparent tube ले लो. वो ट्यूब में if you see the water, ये कर्व शेप में रहता है. जनरली वाटर लेवल तो इतना था, लेकिन ये एज में थोड़ा हाइट में रहता है. कॉन्केव शेप में रहता है, ऐसा थोड़ा हाइट. एंड in case of mercury, you may observe is convex, like this, dome shape. So ये पूरा में it is mercury, it is what? Have you observed this type of? Otherwise you can observe it. So you take any transparent tube. Otherwise in the chemistry lab is there, you can see that. Okay, after the class once you remind, I will show you. So this liquid is going a little bit up. This is also capillary action. Okay. So here two things we have to learn: cohesive and adhesive forces. Cohesive and adhesive forces. Two forces are there. Have you heard about that? Cohesive, adhesive. Colors में आता है वो. Cohesive and adhesive. Two forces are there. Cohesive and adhesive. Adhesive means in between two different substances. The attractions between two different. So it is attraction between A and X. Here A and A. Two different. Here this container and water. So here container and water means here container is generally glass and water के बीच में attractions are stronger than water molecules. That's why here stronger attractions are there, is going up. Okay, in case of mercury, you may see that mercury छोटा भी है तो बॉल टाइप होता है. When we cannot hold it, okay, वो बॉल टाइप इसलिए होता है. Cohesive forces are very stronger, higher, cohesive. So here, if I write here, the glass and mercury forces are less, but in between mercury forces are high. Okay, so mercury between higher, इसलिए वो चिपकते नहीं है. It never stick with container walls. Which one? Mercury. Water we know that सबसे तो स्टिकी होता है. कितना भी ड्राई करने की कोशिश करे तो फिर भी कुछ मॉइस्चर रहता है इसके अंदर, ग्लास. So that means why? Because this between the glass or any material you can take, in between that material and water, वो दोनों के बीच में attractive forces ज्यादा है. वो उस टाइम में ऐसा होता है, इस टाइम में ऐसा होता है. Then here 2 points regarding laboratory. ये वाइवा क्वेश्चन भी होता है. So whenever the burette reading, when we are taking the reading, in case of colorless solutions are there, generally water, HCl, NaOH is there. उस टाइम में हम रीडिंग लेना है. इधर ये लोअर है ना, ये लोअर मेनिस्कस बोलते हैं. दिस वन इज अपर मेनिस्कस. दिस इज द अपर, दिस इज द लोअर मेनिस्कस. Lower meniscus. This one is UM, upper meniscus. Okay. Colorless solutions के लिए lower meniscus is your reading. Colorless solutions के लिए, क्योंकि तो thickness इधर ही दिखते तुमको, वो इधर कहाँ end होता कुछ पता नहीं चलता है. That's why we have to take reading for lower meniscus. Suppose color components are there, KMnO4, like that. कलर सब्सटेंसेस के लिए लोअर कहाँ है पता नहीं चलता, इसलिए हम लेना पड़ता है अपर मेनिस्कस लेना रीडिंग. While you are doing the titrations, टाइट्रेशंस में रीडिंग लेते हैं हम, वो रीडिंग कहाँ से लेना, मतलब वो दे विल आस्क द क्वेश्चंस वाइवा, जनरली उतना नॉलेज है कि नहीं चेक करते हैं. So for color components upper meniscus we will take, for colorless compounds lower meniscus we will take. ठीक है. Why it is forming? Cohesive and adhesive forces. If cohesive forces are there, cohesive मतलब same substances के बीच में attractions. Adhesive means the container walls and this substance. ठीक है. Adhesive forces. अभी good color, एक quality color मतलब which forces should be stronger?